electrical field intensity due to hollow sphere or spherical shell. Look here, electrical field intensity due to hollow sphere or spherical shell. Look here, Nana. According to this concept, Nana, this is the charged sphere, Nana. Look here. This is called hollow sphere. What is the hollow sphere means, Nana? Inside no mass is present. Once again I repeat, inside no mass is present, Nana. Here this is the charged sphere, Nana. Here this charged sphere radius is capital R. Hollow sphere other name is spherical shell, Nana. Here this is the charged sphere, Nana. This is the charged sphere radius is capital R. We want to find electrical field intensity at a point P, Nana. Look here. We want to find electrical field intensity in this point, Nana. This point P outside the sphere, Nana. The question is, look here, point P outside, Nana. That means this is the charged sphere. Point P is outside, Nana. Outside. This point P outside, Nana. This is the distance from center of the sphere is small r. Here small r is always center of the sphere to point P where the electrical field is determined. Point P, Nana. Here this is, look here, Nana. This is, look here. Look here, Nana. In this point P, we want to find electrical field intensity, Nana. Look here, Nana. In this, according to this point, I assume Gaussian surface, Nana, because this is the complex circuit, Nana. In the complex circuit, we determine the electrical field intensity by using Gauss law, Nana. Here, according to this point P, we assume a Gaussian sphere, Nana. Here charge is present inside, Nana. Here positive charge, field is away, Nana. This is the direction of electrical field. Okay. Here I construct a small area. This is the surface, Nana. Area in the chapter given surface కి ఎలా ఉంటది అంటే perpendicular, Nana. Once again I repeat, what is the surface area direction, Nana? Given surface కి ఎలా ఉంటది, Nana? Perpendicular, Nana. Here, Nana, total electrical flux equal to, what is the Gauss law? We know that integration of E bar dot dA bar equal to Q net by epsilon naught, Nana. Look here, Q net by epsilon naught. Here, Nana, here, look here, integration of, look here, according to diagram, positive charge, field is away. Area direction given surface ki perpendicular. According to direction, E and dA same direction, Nana. A bar dot B bar write as A B cos theta. Here theta becomes 0 because E and dA both are in the same direction, Nana. In the right side, charge is Q, Nana, by epsilon naught. Look here. Here, Nana, cos 0 value 1, Nana. Cos 0 value 1, Nana. E constant common. Integration of dA, Nana. Integration dA, right side, Q by epsilon naught. Look here, Nana. E into, what is the integration dA? Integration dx value x, Nana. Integration dA value Bangaru Kondalu A, Nana. Right side, Q by epsilon naught, Nana. Here, what is the E value, Nana? Look here. What is the E value? Look here. Q by A epsilon naught, Nana. Look here. This is the formula for electrical field intensity due to hollow sphere. This point P outside the sphere. Once again I repeat now. This is the hollow sphere now. Point P here outside is there. ఈ hollow sphere కి outside నానా ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉంది r. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి? ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఫీల్డ్. What is the electrical field intensity formula? Q by A epsilon naught nana. Look here nana. Look here. This is the E value nana. Look here. Look here nana. This is the E value nana. E value ఎంత వచ్చిందో చూసి చెప్పండి nana. Q by A epsilon naught. Here A is surface area of the Gaussian surface nana. This is the Gaussian surface is spherical shape nana. So what is the surface area formula in the mathematics? Area of the sphere is here 4 pi r square epsilon naught. This is neatly write as, look here nana, E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r square. This is the formula for electrical field intensity due to hollow sphere. Once again I repeat now. This is the formula for electrical field intensity due to hollow sphere now. Once again I repeat. E is electrical field intensity due to hollow sphere now. Due to hollow sphere, the point P is outside the sphere. ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉంది సెంటర్ నుంచి నానా r అనే డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉంది నానా. ఇదిగో ఇది స్పియర్ నానా. ఈ సెంటర్ నుంచి ఈ పాయింట్ P ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఉంది నానా r అనే డిస్టెన్స్ లో ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఫీల్డ్ కనుక్కోమంటే దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ డ్యూ టు హాలో స్పియర్ నానా? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r square. Q by r square. This is the most important nana. Look here. ఎవరైనా రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ కావాలనే వాళ్ళు రాసేసుకున్నాను. పీని బేస్ చేసుకొని we assume Gaussian surface nana. We assume Gaussian surface nana. Okay? పాయింట్ పీని బేస్ చేసుకొని we assume Gaussian surface nana. Gaussian surface. This is the hollow sphere nana. Here charge distributed uniformly on the surface. Okay, this is the hollow sphere. This hollow sphere radius is capital R. Okay, here point P is there in the previous case. This point P out of the spherical surface nana. This point P shift here nana. Look here. This point P shift here. Here nana center to point P, this is small r nana. According to diagram, center to any arc is nothing but the capital R. That means according to question, point P shifts on the surface. In this situation, small r becomes capital R nana. What is the point P outside? Electrical field intensity formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by small r square nana. Here point B shift here to here nana. What happens the small r nana? Capital R. Here small r equal to capital R nana. E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r square. Q by r square. Here nana. What is the formula for electrical field intensity due to hollow sphere? The point P on the surface అన్నప్పుడు E కి ఫార్ములా ఏంటో చెప్తారా? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r square nana. Q by r square. In the third condition nana, look here. The third condition is point P inside the sphere nana. Once again I look here. Point P inside the sphere nana. Look here nana. Look here. Nana, look here, Nana. This is the hollow sphere, Nana. Hollow sphere, charge distributed uniformly on the surface, Nana. Okay? This hollow sphere, in this point P here, Nana. Look here the diagram. This is the hollow sphere means, Nana, inside no mass, Nana. Simply called as hollow, Bokkanana. Mass becomes the zero. According to mass zero aithe inside charge emotundana zero. No mass, no charge. Ante inside no charge nana. So that's why no charge aithe no electrical field nana. That means electrical field intensity becomes zero. In the three situation I can explain neatly to see here nana. Okay, once again I repeat, look here. This is the hollow sphere, Nana. In the hollow sphere, Nana, charge distributed uniformly on the surface, Nana. Once again look here. This is the sphere, Nana. This is the sphere. Here, Nana, charge distributed on the surface, Nana. Charge distributed on the surface, Nana. Charge distributed on the surface. Okay? This hollow sphere, other name, Nana, spherical shell. Spherical shell, other name, conducting sphere. Once again I repeat. Hollow sphere, spherical shell, conducting sphere. These three are same, Nana. In this situation, here, point P outside, Nana. This distance is smaller, Nana. Here in this sphere radius is capital R. Here point P, here is there at a distance smaller, Nana. In this situation, electrical field formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Here small r is distance between center of the sphere to point P where the electrical field is determined. Here this point P here shift. That means the first case point P out of the sphere, next case point P on the surface of the sphere. In this situation small r becomes capital R. So that's why on the surface is Q by capital R square. Next situation, Nana. Next situation, point P inside, Nana. This is the hollow sphere. That means inside no mass, no charge. So that's why no charge means no electrical field, Nana. That means electrical field becomes zero. This is the three situations, Nana. Okay. Next, Nana, look here. Generally, here I write in terms of rho, Nana. Rho ante volume charge density, Nana. That means charge distributed per unit volume, Nana. According to this situation, charge equal to rho into volume, Nana. Neatly write as rho into volume, Nana. This is the hollow sphere, Nana. What is the hollow sphere radius, Nana? R. Here charge distributed on the surface, Nana. Here charge distributing volume. That means this volume. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here substitute, Nana. Look here. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here Q value write in this manner, Nana. Rho into 4 by 3 pi capital R cube, Nana, by R square. 4 pi what, Nana? Cancel. Neatly write as rho here, look here, rho capital R cube by 3 R square, Nana. This is the formula in terms of rho, Nana. Rho is called volume charge density. Look here, Nana. Here also substitute the Q value, Nana. Here Q value is rho into 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Here write capital R square. Here 4 pi what? Cancel. Neatly write as rho capital R by 3 epsilon naught nana. Rho capital R by 3 epsilon naught nana. Okay? This is the another formula nana. Here ఇది ఏదో జీరో కాబట్టి ఇది అవసరం లేదు. లుక్ హియర్ నాన్న, దిస్ ఈజ్ అప్లికబుల్ ఫర్ పాయింట్ పి అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద స్పియర్ నాన్న. దిస్ ఈజ్ అప్లికబుల్ ఫర్ పాయింట్ పి ఆన్ ద సర్ఫేస్ నాన్న. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద అనదర్ ఫార్ములా ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ రో. ఓకే నాన్న. వాట్ ఈజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఫార్ములా? ఈ అంటే 1/4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by small r square. This is applicable point P out of the sphere. Point P on the surface either small r becomes capital R. 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q by capital R square. Another third formula is inside point P. Inside means inside hollow sphere means no mass, no charge. So electrical field is zero. దీనికి అదర్ నేమ్ హాలో స్పియర్, అదర్ నేమ్ స్పెరికల్ షెల్. స్పెరికల్ షెల్ అదర్ నేమ్ కండక్టింగ్ స్పియర్. ఈ త్రీలో ఏది కనిపించినా ఈ త్రీ ఫార్ములాస్ అప్లికబుల్. ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా నోట్ చేసుకుంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఐ డిస్కస్ సాలిడ్ స్పియర్ నానా టుడే. దీస్ టూ ఆర్ కంప్లీటెడ్, టోటల్ చాప్టర్ కంప్లీటెడ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఐ డిస్కస్ సాలిడ్ స్పియర్ నానా. లుక్ హియర్, లుక్ నోట్స్ రాస్